Oh, the wonderful world of TikTok, where we lose many hours of our life by scrolling through our feed. A lot of crazy stuff. You've got sad stuff, you've got happy stuff, you've got good things, bad things, whatever. It's your feed, right? It is what it is. How do you delete your account? Totally delete it. So, this is how you do it. Jump into the app, bottom right hand corner, see that profile icon? Tap that. Then, once we get into our profile, upper right hand corner, you've got the 3-line menu. We tap that, and there will be an option on the bottom that says Settings and Privacy. Tap into there. Then you've got the first option on the top says Account. We want to go into our account settings, and the last option on that menu is Deactivate or Delete your account. So this is where you go. Deactivation basically turns your account off but doesn't delete it. So if you just want people not to find you, that's what you would do. But click on or tap on Delete Account Permanently. Now keep in mind they do save all your data for 30 days, so you have 30 days to come back if you change your mind. They're going to ask you why you're leaving TikTok. They want to know why exactly you're going through this somewhat extreme measure of deleting your account, I suppose. They're going to give you the option to download all your TikTok data if you'd like to save that, and then you can continue, and they're going to give you one last warning, basically saying, listen, you're going to lose all your videos. You're going to lose your account. That's what deleting TikTok means, but again, you've got 30 days. If you change your mind, you can come back and you can reactivate that account. Hope that was helpful. We'd love it if you help this channel grow by subscribing and liking this video on The Solution Factory.